Hey there! Welcome back to the Basic Engineering. Today, we're exploring the world of automotive innovation as we take a closer look at three of the greatest automotive giants shaping the industry. From pioneering assembly lines to cutting-edge technology, these companies are driving the future of mobility. Let's hit the road. Let's start with Toyota, a company that transformed the automotive world with its revolutionary lean manufacturing system. Founded in 1937 in Japan, Toyota quickly rose to prominence by emphasizing efficiency, quality, and continuous improvement. Their introduction of hybrid technology with the Prius in 1997 set the standard for eco-friendly vehicles worldwide. Today, Toyota remains a leader in sustainable mobility, investing in hydrogen fuel cell technology and autonomous driving systems. With a global production network and millions of vehicles on the road, Toyota continues to inspire innovation in the automotive industry. Next up is Ford, a name synonymous with the birth of mass production. Established in 1903 in the United States, Ford revolutionized the industry by introducing the moving assembly line, which drastically reduced production times and made cars affordable for the masses. Iconic models such as the Model T changed the way people traveled, while later innovations like the Mustang captured the spirit of American freedom and performance. Today, Ford continues to evolve by embracing electric vehicle technology and investing in smart manufacturing processes that keep it at the forefront of automotive progress. Rounding out our trio is Volkswagen, a powerhouse from Germany known for its global influence. Founded in 1937, Volkswagen has a rich history, from creating the iconic Beetle to revolutionizing modern car design. With a vast portfolio spanning luxury brands and economy cars, VW has continually adapted to market trends. Recently, Volkswagen has been making bold strides into electric mobility with its ID series, aiming to lead the charge towards a greener future. Their focus on technology and quality control has not only solidified their reputation in Europe, but has also enabled a significant presence in global markets. Here are some fun facts about these automotive giants. Toyota has sold over 250 million vehicles worldwide. That's almost equivalent to the population of a mid-sized country. Ford's introduction of the assembly line reduced the Model T's production time from over 12 hours to just 93 minutes. Volkswagen's iconic Beetle remained in production for more than 65 years, making it one of the longest-running car models in history. These companies not only changed the way we drive but also set benchmarks in efficiency, innovation, and global reach. Takeaway: Toyota, Ford, and Volkswagen are more than just car manufacturers. They're pioneers of technological innovation and efficiency. Their continuous drive to innovate is shaping the future of mobility and inspiring engineers around the globe. If you enjoyed this deep dive into automotive giants, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the Basic Engineering, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.